Irrational numbers. You see, irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be expressed in form of P upon Q. Means these numbers are those which cannot be expressed in form of P upon Q. Now they are of the form root 2, root 5, cube roots, and so on. Means that they should be having roots with them. There shall be roots. Another type of irrational numbers are which are non-terminating and non-repeating. For example, 2.01, 001, 0001, and so on. These numbers are called as irrational numbers. These are also irrational numbers. Now there's a very important question that comes in CBSE. Prove that root 2 is irrational. Or it can be root 5 is irrational or root 7 is irrational, like that way the question will be. We will use here the method of contradiction. The method of contradiction. Method of contradiction states that whatever we have to prove, we will take that it is wrong. And we will assume that whatever we don't have to prove is correct. Let's see, we have to prove root 2 is a irrational number. Let root 2 is rational. Therefore, root 2 can be expressed in form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Now, P is equal to root 2 into Q, or P square is equal to 2Q square. Therefore, P square has factor 2. This means P square has factor 2. Therefore, P has factor 2. Therefore, P can be written as 2K. Let this be equation number 1, this be equation number 2. Now, squaring both sides. P square is equal to 4K square. Right? Now, P square is equal to 4K square. Now, P square is equal to what? 2Q square. So, 2Q square is equal to 4K square. Put the value of P, because the value of P was equal to root 2Q. So, Q square is equal to cancelled here. 2 to the 4. Q square is equal to 2K square. Therefore, Q square has a factor 2. Therefore, Q has a factor 2. Now we conclude that P and Q both have a common factor 2. Have common factor But here you see that was P upon Q. So there is nothing, whatever was common that was already cancelled here. So this means that P and Q do not have a, but P and Q do not have a common factor 2. Therefore, we arrive at a contradiction. Hence, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 2, what was our assumption? Root 2 is a rational number. This assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 2 is irrational. Therefore, root 2 is irrational. Okay?